You are in your 50s, so barrier repair and deep hydration should be the focus of your skin. In your 50s, your skin naturally becomes thinner, drier, and more prone to sensitivity due to the drop in collagen, elasticity, and lipid production. That's why the focus should shift to restoring the skin barrier and providing intensive nourishment. Look for rich, comforting moisturizers with squalane, for example, the Soothe and Calm. Anything with fatty acids and shea butter. So we do have 2 skin barrier balms here as well. These are going to be amazing. So key components are to rebuild and protect your outer layer of your skin. Incorporate humectants like hyaluronic acid, and even glycerin to draw the moisture from the atmosphere and lock it all in. So for example, the Saffron Skin Quench has got hyaluronic acid in it, and also the saffron cream as well. Support your skin with antioxidants, gentle actives that don't compromise the balance of your skin. So think about peptides and even Beauty oil. This can be absolutely amazing. Consistency, hydration, and barrier first approach are key. At this stage, healthy skin is resilient skin. Feed it, protect it, and keep it strong.